I'm Forgy McForgeface. This is my forge. So things will be a bit different this year. This is kind of a, hey, thanks for 10,000 subscribers post. This is amazing. I'm so stoked. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you all my live viewers. Thank you to all my friends. Thank you to all my family. Just thank you. So this year I'm going to be making more videos. This format, how you see me. Should have turned all those sounds off in the background. Oh well. I make Damascus belt buckles, I make Damascus knives, I make Damascus anything you want. I make them out of saw blades and band saw blades. Starts out a saw blade like this. My buddy at JF Off-Road Plasma cuts them into strips for me. I then pair those with band saw blades and I make Damascus out of that. Thanks everyone for 10,000. This is huge for me. Thank you. Bye.